Khetile on the Liftoff.
Okie doke. So what Anonymous did is sent me an email to the liftoff at gagasi995.co.za, and we need to rally up behind her because uyasdinga ngempela. She needs extra minds to try and get out or decide what it is that she needs to do kule situation athola eksona. Okay? So here's the email that she wrote. Hello, Memo Custard. I hope my story isn't as depressing as the ones that you usually do. Ngoba angifuni uquleka as yet unganginiki usizo. Okay. Uthi, I'll break down my story in 3 scenes ukuze sizolandeleka kahle. I'm a lady who had been dating this guy for 5 years. We were super tight and were pushing couple goals ngendlela eyisimangaliso until I effed it up. We were on a vacation with his friends and their partners, and I decided to be selfish. When everyone was drunk, sekulelwe, I had a one-night stand with umngani wakhe phakathi kwamabili when everyone was sleeping. Well, so we thought. Eventually, he found out, and he was never the same man again. I acknowledge ukuthi I really hurt him. I suppose as a retaliation, he then slept with 2 of my friends, whom today engasazwani nabo. Because of how messy the situation is. Emva kwalokho, he was diagnosed with depression and was admitted into a psychiatric hospital for 3 months. Hey, but yeah. All right, let me carry on with the email. So, Ukai now has been admitted into a psychiatric hospital for 3 months. Uti umpali. Out of guilt, I kept checking up on him and basically taking care of him because I really felt responsible for the state that he was in. With us having spent so much time together after sephumile esibhedlela, the spark returned. Or maybe kwaba inkanuko. Today I am pregnant. Today I am pregnant ngengane yakhe kodwa asathandani. This pregnancy is as a result of the one time we did it for closure. Haba. Hey, the conclusion is our relationship has been marred with controversy and toxicity. Kodwa, I still feel like akapheli ngathi, and this child is testament to that. Nesizulu siyasho ukuthi amanzi lapho ake amakhona ayama futhi. Would it be wise to ask uBhuti for ama love back? Ngiyabonga. Ha! That time Anonymous would say this story isn't as depressing as the other ones I usually do. Are you mad? Yeah? Hey, you guys, I keep saying, I cannot emphasize this enough. I need the ambulance outside this here building every single Monday. Around this time, for this hour, 10 to 11 is a dangerous hour for iPP yami. Futhi mina nginesifo babakithi ngiyinto egulelayo nje. But you test me way too much with inkinga zenu enibhekene nazo for ikhethile. Anyways, Anonymous is asking for your assistance. Enzenjani ayicele ini LB. She's pregnant now, so it's not just about a relationship yakhe and the would-be ex-boyfriend. But now there's a child to also consider. I always I'm advocating for the return of a family unit. So a baba, a mama, a child kind of situation. But mangabe laba sebeprovile ukuthi bakwazi ukuba toxic ngalendlela kumiswa kanjani ke moving forward. You can give me a call on 0861596596 ngikhona na ku WhatsApp 0789342827, or you can also send through your comments on the socials. I know you're there. I see you. I feel you. Assist Anonymous. Enzenjani. Sawubona webhambata.
Unjani sis?
Ngiyaye bafethu. Hayi niyariska bafethu.
Awona John Monday nje khona abagula emsebenzini baphethe amabhalance. Abo kodwa lesi ayisi too much.
It's too much mfethu.
It's too much.
Or maybe we are just being dramatic because I know there are couples that thrive on being toxic, Umuntu othi mangabe sephuma kule relationship toxic angabi happy ku relationship peaceful. Yayizwa lento ngisho?
Hayi ngeke kodwa le angeke.
Usho ukuthi alisekho ithemba la.
Alisekho ngicela nje ukuthi bahlanganiswe ingane. So it's not like ingane ngeke ikhule ngongo.
Without.
Yabo, but nje abahlanganiswe ingane because into one thing engiyaziyo samajita, if ngake ngathola ukuthi ubulale with someone and nalowo muntu ngiyamazi asixoli noma singenza sex ka-7 now but asixoli yebo into nje
sokujabulisa inyama nje
yabo sekuyinto ekwamthinta engcono like size sisikhuluma sisodwa sisho ukuthi yazini ayikho into emnandi njengo into ongayazi ayibulali oyazi yakubulala but abanye abantu ngeke bayibone.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, so nje
Coolio, thank you so much for your call, Pambata. Have a great day further, my brother. I've got somebody else here. Who's this? Hello, Cookie.
Hello, Jeff.
Are you good?
Ngiyaphila.
Ay, ngiyaphila nami kodwa nginewari man ukuthi we are so happy to risk our lives, to risk our health because lengxova demo elana ke sidila nayo namhlanje has now a baby that's about to be born involved, and this baby was conceived after Usisi had an affair with her man's friend, and after Ubrother retaliated with having an affair with two of her friends. And then we still have Isbindi to engage in unprotected sex to the point where a child is conceived. Senzenjani kanti Cookie?
Mina yabona nje lento le ngibona sengathi ngoba bobabili benza amaphutha bobabili bayathithelana both.
Asingabizi ngamaphutha hayi ngeke.
Just ngithi ababuyelane baxolelane because vele benzile amaphutha bobabili ngithi
so square up
ingane yebo bese kuba ukuthi ingane kusisi uyayazi nesiqiniseko sokuthi ingane ngempela ngale kabani ma ukuthi akuyona yakho ubhuti akangabuyeli kuye kodwa ma ukuthi uneshosho ukuthi yakhe ababuyelane vele ngoba vele benze bobabili nje
But do you think ukuthi le cycle sebeqalile will it ever end even if they do eventually get back together and decide to try again? Izophela yini?
Ngeke kuzolokuqhubekile bayophila ngakho ke vela ngezinto indlela phila
kushuthi mhlawumbe ababebejwayeza uprep angazi ukuyahleka but I'm worried about these people's health and it seems like they don't care. It's just vibes at this point. Ayingeke angazi. You now can give me a call as well, 031-537-3000. You can also send me a WhatsApp voice note on 078-934-2827. We're trying to assist Anonymous. She finds herself in a huge entanglement involving not only her friends but abangani amuntu wakhe. There is now also a little bambino that is on the way. How does she manage this entire mess of toxicity?